g'day. After a successful day on the Manukau, Team Crazy Walkers decided to head down to Whitianga for the Kubota Billfish Classic, where we'll be predominantly targeting swordfish and striped marlin and blue marlin. Stick around to see how we went.
Wrong way, bro.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
After a couple days of trawling around in the shallows for a striped marlin,
Going under the boat.
we had no luck raising any. We marked a fair bit of bait, but no fish were hanging around it. We decided to head out to the sword grounds and drop a bait, and about an hour into it, we were tight on a swordfish.
Keep winding in or let him stay down there?
No, just gonna right there. Go wind if you can.
No, that's right.
Yeah. Fuck, come on boys, this has got to be our chance. Go. Right. There he is. He's going he's going that way.
He's coming up. He's coming up.
He's coming up. Wind.
Yeah, I can see him.
got a big bill, bro. Who's putting the tag in? Go, Travis. Keep him out. He's going on the boat. That's it. Yeah, good. Good. Good.
Yeah, I'll tag him. Okay, drags down.
Trav.
Yeah. Watch out for the line, watch out for the line. Watch the line, everybody. No, leave it there, Scotty. Yep, yep. Watch your feet.
You ready with the tag?
Yeah.
Camera.
Drags in.
Come on, camera.
Camera. It's the other side. Fucker.
Get on tangle. Hold it. I've got it, Trav.
Get the other way.
Yeah, get the camera. We've got to get him over. He's actually a fucking good one. Watch out, don't tangle up on this line. Clear the line.
Yeah, hold this. Can you hold that?
Watch your nose.
Yeah.
Got the tag in.
Yeah, boy!
Woohoo!
Yeah!
3, 2, go. Let's go! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy!
So after safely tag and releasing the swordfish, we decided to head into Mirror Island for the night and plan our trip for the next day. Starting nice and early on the sword grounds, we managed to get a bite from the swordfish, but unfortunately didn't stick or hook up. So that was us for the Kubota, and then we headed in for an early finish to drink some beers and check out everyone's results at prize giving. Cheers for watching.